A highly interesting and timely PIL has come before the Supreme Court. The petition had sought directions to the HRD Ministry on waiver of fees for primary level students and also a waiver of extra fees charged under the different heads of by schools. This was for students' parents who were under severe financial stress because of the pandemic. The top court's bench of justices Ashok, Bhushan and R. Subhash Reddy dismissed the PIL but granted liberty to the petitioner to approach the high courts. The plea was from the NGO Public Police. The chairman of the Public Police is former Chief Justice of India and ex-chairman of the National Human Rights Commission, Justice K.G. Balakrishnan. Other members include former High Court judges, former senior IAS officer, former senior IPS officer, and some distinguished members of civil society. Senior Counsel Pradeep Rai appeared for the petitioners and argued that some of the schools are charging full tuition fees, transportation fees, lab fees, library fees, development fees, and annual fees for 3 months in advance, and some schools are charging a new fees under the head of the e-educations. The petitioners further submitted that the payment of the fees for public and private educational institutes stands due to the students and parents are not in any appropriate financial conditions to make such payments under so many heads as charged by the schools. This is either due to the loss of wages or deductions of wages or loss of jobs during this pandemic, putting the parents under immense financial stress. The petition says that under the above circumstances, forcing parents to pay fees for the last quarter and upcoming quarters would further drain them financially. The petitioner also states that most schools conducted online education mandatorily for the enrolled students. The commencements of the online classes deprive 25% of the EWS category of students because they do not have smartphones or computers or any forms of internet connections.